Hello traders, this is Alpha Fibonacci System, 2 days before Thanksgiving 2024. So when you're taking a look on this chart, intelligent trader understands S&P stock at historical high in major institutional correction. So when intelligent trader preparing for a trade, intelligent trader understands with the power of Alpha Fibonacci System, all of this identified months and years in advance. This is a chart present in the trading room for years. This is entirely different trading when war in Ukraine starts and bullish rally skyrockets and continues despite catastrophic inflation in US. What does the intelligent trader understands and sees today? Bullish rally at historical high, stock in major correction. So when intelligent trader zooms in on key retail chart and prepares very carefully for a trade, on S&P mini future you know far in advance, this is a critical key break wall where market is stuck. It is black and white. No matter what chart you trade, you are very well prepared. You're using your limitless brain and understand. This is a key event playing out in front of you right now. This is how you trade with Alpha Fibonacci System without any software. When you're using your limitless brain and you understand the power of this, the sky's is the limit. The most beautiful place where intelligent trader is buying the market is at the bottom. All of this played out pre-market. European session, bullish rally skyrockets. This is simplicity and purity of the Alpha Fibonacci software to day trade futures. What does the intelligent trader understands many hours in advance? Price reached reversal zone. Market been stuck at this level. Crawling up, not selling off. For institutional trader it's a bliss. For retail trader it's a problem. Overextended historical rally at historical highs right now. Historical event playing out in front of you now. So no matter what chart you trade, you understand the danger of this. Price at the bold red zone, overextended, reached key targets. Trades played out on multiple other charts. I choose to project software on 3-minute chart. So this is entirely different chart with S&P for S&P mini future with a software for Ninja Trader 8 in front of you now. So pay attention please, where buyers stepped in from with vengeance, no surprise. Intelligent trader understands this. Again, trade played out on multiple other charts. I choose to project software on 3-minute chart. So intelligent trader understands what price is struggling now. Let me convert this chart to 1 so you can see to the tick. With a single glimpse. Institutions holding longs. Institutions adding to positions. This is extremely aggressive long at historical highs. What a pain, what a crawl. But there is nothing else in this market. This is the only option that's present. That's it, which confirms institutional longs, which confirms historical high not being sold. For retail trader, it's a major problem. In the course, you learn the importance of this target. In the course, you understand very critically the importance of trading with ultimate Alpha Fibonacci precision. So if you took this trade, it's extremely aggressive. But you understood very well before market open. This is the only option. There is no other option. When institutions holding longs and adding to positions, this is the only option. You're trading with institutions, not against them. You remember forever this is critical target. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate precision in the live markets. Next, we will review identical events on multiple other instruments and time frames. So again, absolutely no surprise. What playing out at the key target. That's it. So again, trader who doubled and tripled his account and understand this is the only option this morning and you are working away with 3 points on a single lot, what do you understand? On S&P mini future, it is $150. You remain profitable, you add to every trade, every month, a new lot. By the end of the year, you're trading 10 lots. 10 lots on S&P mini future, $1,500. By the end of 2 years, you're trading 20 lots. Do the math. You do not need many trades. Typical gambler's mentality who never makes any money, more trades, more money. Your broker loves you if you continue thinking that way. But if you're trading markets as intelligent strategic trader, you understand very well. With the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system, you're taking a trade and you're adding the lot size. Your trading day is done. You're walking away. Historical high in front of you at the key target. This is the only option this morning. There is nothing else. And if price continue crawling up, intelligent trader understands. Obey the rules and the sky's the limit. No pain, no torture, ultimate precision with the software for Ninja Trader 8. Price collapses from this target high 80% of the time. So if I put side by side Bitcoin, this was Bitcoin at critical key target a couple of months ago. What is the difference? On S&P mini future you see a software. On Bitcoin you don't. Traders trading on crypto platforms I never heard of. You install Fibonacci retracement tool, you apply proprietary strategies, proprietary levels, and you're off to the races, making a personal decision if you want to trade Bitcoin or if you want to trade Nvidia. Nvidia crawling up, and you knew many months in advance where Nvidia heading to. No software on Nvidia. You can trade this on Fidelity. You can trade this on Interactive Brokers. You can trade this on any platform you choose as long as it has Fibonacci retracement tool. But if you choose to day trade futures, you are reminded in front of you. Ultimate precision of the Alpha Fibonacci system and software is a reason students becoming my dearest friends for life, especially those who lost a fortune, especially those who tried for many years and failed and lost a lot of money, not because of fault of their own, but because their mind is clogged up with junk indicators, junky systems, delayed stuff that looks so good after the fact. Alpha Fibonacci system traded by JP Morgan traders, traded by financial advisors, traded from Palm Beach to Dubai to New York to Saudi Arabia to Monte Carlo to France to Texas with traders from 14 to 80 years old. In the trading room, you're witnessing ultimate precision in the live markets, and you have opportunity to ask questions. And if this continues the entire day, intelligent trader not surprised. So if the markets continue this very dangerous, very aggressive crawl at historical high, let's continue reviewing other instruments. With the power of the system, you can buy the bottom. This is Nvidia at 14. You know quite well, this is a critical key event at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. You understand where to buy the bottom. You understand how to obey the rules. Identical level on Nvidia as playing out on S&P with the software. Only difference, Nvidia, you spending hours, days, weeks and months to make decision about your trade. All depends on the chart you trade. Amazon, you know where to buy the bottom. You know why Amazon selling off right now as it reached reversal zone. As traders spoke at critical key trading bootcamp events and shared their stories, when life gets difficult, trade system long term. And remember, Catastrophic global events don't mean a thing. When Alpha Fibonacci system spelling out, this is where you buy. And Jamal leaves Saudi Arabia and buying home in South France when euro at the bottom, shock or not. Despite catastrophe in Europe, euro skyrockets and reaches identical level as you witnessed on S&P mini future with a software. Except there is no software on euro. You trade this MT4, MT5, interactive brokers, Thinkorswim, TradeStation, whatever platform you choose. You remember forever. Proprietary system I developed since 2004 will forever apply to every instrument, every time frame, every platform. As every single strategy I develop built on pure price. And when you're witnessing the power of this, you make a personal decision on the time frame and instrument you want to trade. So when I keep saying no to top financial institutions in this world, it's because I live and breathe what I do, because I will not sell out, unless of course the day will come when Goldman will allow for me to work from my home. I cherish my freedom. I cherish what I develop. And this is what I cherish the most. When hedge fund manager bringing his son to the course and Dominic delivers this after a couple of weeks, it shows you simplicity of the system. But what else does it show you? As you can listen to their podcast, Dominic was bored during COVID. And he thought this is the easiest thing in the world to trade Alpha Fibonacci system with and without software on futures. But his father trading instruments and platforms I never even heard of. So this continues when fathers bring in their children and husbands bring in their wives and friends bring in their friends. It happens for a very good reason. System is proprietary. System applies to all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. And when it's shared by complete beginner Pablo, who closed his law practice and became full-time trader, he's trading it all. But this is extremely important email, as I constantly remind you. When you are under stress, you do not trade as day trader. You walk away. And when you stabilize emotionally, you can trade anything you choose. If complete beginner trader can trade gold, euro, cable, Aussie, and he knows clearly when American futures look very dangerous and junky, it confirms. If Pablo can do it, so can you. So did Sue. All of this podcast waiting to be re-uploaded to the website. Tens of thousands of emails from traders all over the world, every trader, different instrument, different time frame, different platform. Sue is killing it on S&P, gold, Bitcoin, oil, silver. She lost a fortune before. Legend, George, what did he share when he is stressed out due to geopolitical catastrophe in Moscow? Wow, he's trading stocks on platforms I never heard of. So if traders all over the world can do this, what do you remember and understand? A very important event. System has no boundaries. It's clear. And it's proven by traders in US and 58 countries. That's it. So when the traders thanking me so much for a phenomenal boot camp that will never, ever, ever repeat again, I realized I can give it to you as a gift during holiday time. So when you understand the power of this and you have opportunities to view videos 24/7, this is priceless gift I'll post it on the website. I promise you, this gift will never be given again. So when you trade such horrific and brutal markets with such spectacular precision, you understand this very dangerous crawl goes on. This is a scanner for S&P mini future that show you weakness and crawl. There is nothing else in this market. Institutions continue holding longs. You're looking at historical high and brutal, vicious, nasty, bullish crawl. There is nothing else. Ultimate historical high with ultimate precision again and again and again. 20 years of building my own systems, my own strategies. With every single day I see clearly. Market preset. Market is flawless. Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. All you have to do is make a personal decision on the instrument, on the time frame, on the platform you want to trade with. So please review all the information on the website and understand. We are down to only 2 spaces for Black Friday special that will include a boot camp and additional 3 months in the course with private mentoring savings up to $12,000. So when you join us today and trade proprietary, precise, institutional Alpha Fibonacci system, you make a personal decision if you want a day or position trade. You trade with precise entry, stop and target on every instrument, every time frame, every platform, and you have an option to trade with software for Ninja 8. You do not have to come to live classes. 90% of our students viewing only video library. Over 300 prior live recorded classes plus trading bootcamp. It's priceless. So please view our students' performance, read our students' reviews, and remember, when you trade Holy Grail of trading, the sky's the limit. So when students becoming my dearest friends for life, you remember forever. You never forget again. Students' words, Harvard of Trading Education, priceless. That's it, pure and simple. So take advantage of Black Friday special. I have never offered before and will never offer again, and choose the option appropriate for you. And of course, if you want to listen to our traders podcast from all over the world, you can do that. So please, all the options in front of you. Choose if private mentoring, the ultimate option, is present and available. Group course, the most popular option, option 2. And again, if you can afford private mentoring, I work with you one-on-one, I test you, I quiz you, I keep you accountable, I show you if you're meant to be day trader or not. We focus on the instrument of your choice, we focus on your needs. We work one-on-one via screen sharing, and of course, every package includes access to group classes, video library modules, trading room. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. Simply click on Contact Us section and pick up the phone and call. I'm not good at writing long emails. I'm good at teaching and building my own systems. That's it. Choice is yours on what you will decide to trade. So when S&P continue doing this, no one is surprised, correct? As we discussed, this is the only option. Brand new historical high reached. It's a reversal zone. When price reminding you the importance of this key level. That's it. Pure and simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. With the Alpha Fibonacci system, during worst market conditions, when institutions holding long, the skies are the limit.